National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Noxubee County in east central Mississippi, northwestern Kemper County in east central Mississippi, until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:36 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Preston, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Golson around 3:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Shuqualak. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for east central Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for east central Mississippi.
Time arguing over things like who has the best seat and who's taking too much time in the bathroom.